Hi, I'm Aisha, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your Cricut Mug Press. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and press the bell icon for notifications of future videos. In the box you will find a mug press, setup guide and warranty information, power cable and USB cable. Remove the mug press from the box along with any packaging wrapped around it. Insert the power cable into the back of the machine, followed by the USB cable, securing one end into the machine and one into your laptop or desktop device. On your laptop or desktop computer, open Design Space and navigate to the side menu and New Product Setup. Select Heat Press, followed by Cricut Mug Press. Follow the on-screen instructions to download any updates that are needed. Once updated, you can then disconnect the USB cable from both your machine and your desktop or laptop, and your mug press is ready to use. Thanks for joining me for this video. For Cricut project inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and a comment below as we love to see them. See you soon for more videos.